Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're doing a little case unboxing of the UAG Plasma series case for your iPhone XS Max. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so here we have the Urban Armor Gear Red Plasma Series case for your iPhone XS Max. As you guys can see, they actually changed the packaging and how the case looks. So we could definitely get into that. Let's place the phone down slowly and let's go to the new packaging and see what everything looks like. So here's the back now, which is pretty cool. UAG, built to go further. And on the bottom, we do have that nice little thing there. New iPhone 6.5, 2018 edition, drop tested and all that good stuff. So let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. Now, I went with the red because the red should complement the gold. And if it doesn't, then I'm going to feel stupid. So it's a little bit different. I can see how they made this a little bit more lighter. So now it may have some type of lay down protection, because now you see that it's a little bit raised. So now when you place it down, it's not going to lay down on the actual bubble surface background. So now it's going to lay down on top of that little raised lip there. Big shout out to UAG for actually doing this, but let's just do what you guys came to see. Pop this in. There you go. Beautiful. Honestly guys, it does show the Apple logo a bit more. And it's a perfect size too. You see how it's just a perfect cutout, because now you can see the Apple logo perfectly. Everything looks absolutely perfect. Let's pop this out from the front. So what do you guys think about the case so far? I love the Plasma series case. I love the Monarch series case, so you will see that video as well. Let's see what the lip action looks like. Perfect, guys. The mute and toggle switch is on point as always. Volume up and down, clicky. The power and sleep, absolutely perfect. Everything is perfect about this case. See how the lip action is from the front, so I don't get cursed out in the comments. Lip action all around. Looking pretty good, UAG. Definitely digging this case. So what do you guys think about the UAG Plasma series case? The new packaging and all that good stuff for your iPhone XS Max. Definitely impressed. It will definitely be in my rotation of cases. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the iPhone XS Max and UAG cases. Big shout out to them for actually sending this out, by the way. UAG for the win. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.